hello. I don't know if anybody's gonna be watching this, but if it hasn't already been done, I have this idea. I don't know if it's already been thought of or if it's in the process. One of these ideas, I have many, but this is one about a bee. The wasp, you see, a wasp is able to protect itself and sting. It's a way of protection, right? It's a way of protecting himself from being, killed. Self-defense mechanism. I'm thinking of a way, I have an idea to put that into the bee to alter bee genetic structure and to make a bee that cannot die after one sting. The stinger will not fall off and it has the same advantages as a wasp. One way, I have two ideas for how that would happen. One idea is interbreeding, mixing a wasp and a bee together and basically allowing them to see if they can come up with a half wasp, half bee to try to breed them together. If that doesn't work, if it's not possible, then to analyze the DNA of a wasp, knowing what we know about wasps, what part of that DNA, what makes the wasp stinger, that where it does not fall off. What is it? Is it the DNA, the blood in the wasp? What is it exactly that's doing this? Well, of course, it's the DNA actually, but what part of the DNA? And can we replicate that? Can we transfer that to the bee so we can start a new species of bee? We transfer that, we're going to have to use several bees for this project because it might not work on the first try. It might work after many tries. So when we find the right one that is able to accept the part of the DNA of the wasp, if that's what we have to go through, if they can't interbreed with each other and nothing comes out of this, no offspring is capable of being produced, that this is what we would try, right? And when this bee absorbs the DNA from the wasp, when it's now able to sting people as many times as it can without the stinger falling off, then we have it breed into the same population as the other bees, and now we're making more bees. We're making a new species, a new breed of bee that is able to defend itself better, just like a wasp. It has more advantages because a bee is very vital contributor to our ecosystem. Without bees, we might not have a world. But I know, as far as harvest and different plants, so many things are produced by the spreading of pollen of bee, by the bee. Flowers and different other plants need the bee to transfer that pollen. So, where would the ecosystem be without the bee? And that is my idea to make a better bee.